Welcome to our exploration of Hajj, the sacred Islamic pilgrimage. Join us as we embark on a remarkable spiritual journey, delving into its historical significance, rituals, and the transformative experience it offers to millions of Muslims worldwide. Understanding Hajj. Hajj, meaning, to intend a journey, is an annual pilgrimage to the holy city of Mecca, Saudi Arabia. It is a fundamental pillar of Islam, obligatory for physically and financially able Muslims to undertake at least once in their lifetime. The origins of Hajj can be traced back to the time of Prophet Ibrahim, who was commanded by Allah to build the Kaaba, the most sacred site in Islam. The historical significance. Hajj holds immense historical significance. It symbolizes the unity of Muslims from diverse backgrounds, ethnicities, and cultures. The rites and rituals performed during Hajj trace their roots to the time of Prophet Ibrahim and his family, including the sacrifice of Ismail, a test of faith that embodies obedience and devotion to Allah. The 5 pillars of Hajj. Ihram. Pilgrims enter the state of Ihram, a spiritual state of purity, by wearing simple white garments, signifying equality and unity among all Muslims. Tawaf. Circumambulating the Kaaba 7 times counterclockwise, pilgrims express their reverence and submission to Allah, affirming the unity of all Muslims. Sa'i. Pilgrims walk between the hills of Safa and Marwa, retracing the footsteps of Hajar, the wife of Prophet Ibrahim, searching for water and symbolizing perseverance and faith. Waqf. On the plains of Arafat, pilgrims gather in prayer, seeking forgiveness, mercy, and supplicating to Allah. It is considered the most significant ritual of Hajj. Stoning of the devil. Pilgrims perform the symbolic stoning of 3 pillars, representing their rejection of evil and temptation, commemorating Prophet Ibrahim's rejection of Satan's influence. The universal values of Hajj. Hajj transcends religious boundaries and conveys universal values such as unity, equality, and brotherhood. The journey emphasizes leaving behind worldly possessions and focusing on spiritual purification, fostering a sense of humility and compassion. It teaches the importance of self-discipline, sacrifice, and empathy, fostering a greater understanding of social justice and communal harmony. The transformative experience. Hajj is a transformative experience for pilgrims. It provides an opportunity to detach from worldly distractions and connect deeply with Allah through prayer, reflection, and repentance. The physical challenges faced during Hajj, like enduring the desert heat and crowded conditions, serve as reminders of life's transient nature and the need to prioritize spiritual growth. Hajj is not merely a physical journey but a profound spiritual expedition. It is a testament to the unity and strength of the global Muslim community, highlighting the shared devotion and faith that binds millions together. Through its rituals, historical significance, and universal values, Hajj offers a powerful message of peace, love, and brotherhood to the world. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of Hajj. May the spirit of Hajj inspire us all to cultivate unity, compassion, and faith in our daily lives. Thanks for watching.